stop making Kanye West type beats. It's the one thing I would say to my younger self if I could, but I still see so many producers chopping samples, adding drums and melodies, trying to imitate someone else's style. So today I will show you how to replace that with something, in my opinion, way better. Okay, so before a lot of people get angry at me, listen, it's okay to be inspired by somebody. But there is a difference between making a type beat and by getting inspired by somebody. So one thing I think most people forget while making type beats is that music is an expression of emotions. And that can be your emotions, but not even necessarily. It just can be expression of emotions of whoever. So they can be yours, they can be emotions of a fictional character, or they can be emotions of somebody else you see. And now when you make music, don't make decisions in your music based on the type beat you're making. I'm making a Kanye West type beat, so I'm gonna choose this sample. I'm making a J Dilla type beat, so I'm gonna choose those drums. Because that's not how those artists make their music. They just think about the emotions they want their music to convey and express, and that's what they make their decision based on. So for this beat, I used this sample called I'm So Lonely, and this is how it sounds. As some of you might know, I'm in the process of making my version of Kanye's last album just for fun. So this beat is also gonna tie into that album. So basically I chose this sample because the emotions I'm gonna go for here is the kind of emotions Kanye could feel basically being at the top of the game and still feeling lonely. So that's what I'm gonna make my decision based on. So you can hear that this sample is actually very compressed and there's a lot of bad frequencies in the high end. So what I did actually is I just grabbed the sound from the right ear and I added a little bit of EQ to cut out all the low end and all the high end. So we're just left with the nicer sounding frequencies. Right, so that already sounds much better. And the last thing I'm gonna do to this sample is I'm literally gonna pitch it up to semitones. And this is how our sample gonna sound. So next what I add is this bass right here. And this is the pattern I build with it. So mostly I just follow the sample with a few accent notes. So it sounds like this. Right, so this is just gonna take our sample back up because we took off a lot of the low end and the high end. So basically this is gonna take the care of our low end, right? And now to fill back up the high end, I'm just gonna add this Juno 6. And I'm actually gonna make a very similar pattern to our bass line. However, it's just gonna be twice as long. So we have a bit more variation. And this is how that sounds. And by the way, if you need help with your sample beats, with adding bass lines or instruments, or you just simply want to learn more about sampling, then check out Sample Academy. It's frizzling in the description, and we currently have a free trial for everybody, so just check it out. Right, and now that we basically filled back up our sample, we can start adding drums. So I'll just grab this kick and this snare. And so here's the pattern I make with them. It's a very simple pattern. Next, I will just grab this accent snare and fill in a little bit more of the pattern with it. Right, and next, to add some variation, I'm just gonna grab this hat and another filler snare. And I'm just gonna add those additional patterns, which is nothing complicated. For the filler snare, I pretty much just copied our other snare. And for the hi-hat, I just made a simple two-step pattern. So here's how that sounds. Right, and then I just wanted to add a little bit of variation to the beat. So I just grabbed this big sounding Juno 6 sound. And I slightly panned it to the left and made this pattern with it. And to finish it off, I just grabbed one more Juno 6. And just added this very simple arpeggio to it. And if we just take all of this and arrange it all out, here's how the final beat sounds.